Hi there, Melody from WTI. And if you've ever been looking for a never inoperable emergency radio / emergency flashlight / charger and so much more, I've got something for you. This is the 𝗰𝗿𝗶𝗁𝗍, really amazing emergency radio. So much to tell you about it, so much that I love about it. I love the easy access to the ports where you can charge the internal battery or even charge your phone. It is very lightweight. I love it. Easy to move around, easy to use. And the hand crank is only one of 4 ways that you can charge this beauty up. And the sound of the radio and the alarm.
Who's using the tools? You have to train the people how to use the tools.
So that's about all I can show you with the lights on. Let's turn them down. So it has 3 modes for the ultra bright flashlight. There's a far beam, a dip beam, and a mixed beam. Just super nice and bright. I love even when you put the other reading light on, the whole little radio lights right up. It's pretty and useful. You'll never lose it in the dark. The convenient tuning indicator shares the same spot for the battery status. So depending on how many indicators, it tells you the length of your battery. Once fully charged, this reading lamp will be working for 35 hours. The radio broadcast you could use for 90 hours. The flashlights for 50. Like I said, it's never going to be inoperable. I love this not only for emergencies, but for camping. The handle makes it easy to carry, and the compass is awesome. You're always going to find your way. So if you're looking for one of these emergency radios, I'm super impressed with this one. There's so much about it that I'm in love with, and I know you will be too. That is my point of view.